Give me 1 second, Mr. Purefoy.
Yeah, I waited all afternoon. A couple says that won't make any difference.
Okay. Mr. Purefoy, I'm going to put you under oath at this time. If you'll raise your right hand so I can see it in your screen.
Show him this, he wants to see your hand raised on the
There we
screen.
go, thank you. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, Mr. Purefoy?
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you. You can put your hand down. I'm going to be talking to your friend here. Sir, what's your full name?
Oh, okay, 1 second. My name is Matthew Gorsica. Would you
Okay.
like me to spell that?
Yes, please.
Last name Gorsica, Gorczyca.
Okay. So typically, because of the type of case this is, I would not have you present for this proceeding, okay? The lawyers have
Sure.
the lawyers have been kind enough to let you stay where you are so that if Mr. Purefoy is having any technical issues, you can assist him with those technical issues only, okay? But I need you to just understand, you cannot answer any questions for Mr. Purefoy. You can't speak to Mr. Purefoy during the proceeding. You're there just as our tech guy in case there's some problems, okay?
Absolutely,
Okay,
10-4.
great. So if you want to go ahead and give Mr. Purefoy back the device, we'll go from there.
Here you go. Make sure your face shows up in that box, okay? Don't hold it on your belly. Hold it in front, like this.
Okay.
That's how you gotta do it.
Okay, Mr. Purefoy. I'm going to spell your name and make sure I have it correct, okay? So is your name Frank, F-R-A-N-K, Purefoy, P-U-R-I-F-O-Y?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. And because we're virtual, it's very easy to talk over each other, okay? So just give a pause when I'm done speaking or when the lawyers are speaking before you answer any question, okay?
And what you said, okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, what do you mean you didn't know what I said?
No, he understood what you said.
Sir, I just
Objection.
told you you can't participate in the proceeding.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Mr. Purefoy, what did you mean by that you didn't know what I said? You couldn't hear me?
I can hear you too. Can you turn the volume up over there?
I don't control your volume, sir. You've got to control your own volume. Do you need to turn it up?
Our volume's up all the way too.
Okay, well, I'll tell the lawyers to present from the podium, okay? The lawyers are gonna be asking you some questions, okay? It's really
Okay.
important for you to stop talking if they use the word objection or if you hear the word objection, okay?
Okay.
And then once that word is mentioned, I will let you know whether I want you to keep answering the question or whether we're gonna move on to something else, okay?
Okay, sir, how long is this gonna take?
As long as the lawyers tell me it's gonna take, but my understanding is this isn't gonna take very long,
Okay.
okay? Okay, Mr. Salgado is gonna go first, and then Mr. Wallace is gonna go next. Mr. Wallace.
I'm sorry, in the confusion a little bit, I forgot whether you had him do the oath.
He's been sworn in, yep.
Sorry.
Yep, no problem, I understand. Okay, Mr. Purefoy, Mr. Salgado's got some questions for you. Can you see him on your screen?
Yes,
Okay, great. Go ahead.
Mr. Purefoy, where do you live?
4314 Oakwood Avenue, Lakeville, New York, 14219.
Do you know Anthony Grajeda?
I sure do.
Do you know Victoria Grajeda?
I sure do.
How do you know them?
We were married at one time. And Tony Gurgita is my stepson.
This one?
That's it right there.
Okay. I just want to know where to be.
You're good, no, you're good.
What do you do for work?
I was Lackawanna Police Officer for 34 years.
Objection, vague, misleading the witness.
He just asked what he did for work. Is that
Right
the
now,
problem, the question?
and so it would be ambiguous as to whether right now or in the past.
Sure. I
Okay,
can
go ahead and
clarify.
build that foundation.
You know, let's do it this way. Are you employed right now?
No,
Are you retired?
yes,
What did you do before you retired?
Objection, relevance.
police officer.
Hold on 1
detective.
second, hold on 1 second, sir. What's the relevance?
You know, I'm just trying to get his background information. The fact he was a former officer, he's not gonna lie to this court, and it's just
Well, he took an oath that he's not gonna lie.
okay.
He took an oath that he's not gonna lie.
Yes.
Is there any relevance as to the fact that he was former law enforcement?
Just background, Your
I'm gonna sustain your objection, Mr. Wells.
Honor. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
How long have you known Victoria?
Well, I don't know exactly about a year, quite a while.
Has she ever visited you at your home?
Yes,
When was the last time she visited you at your home?
I really don't recall. Oh, yes.
Objection.
Yeah,
Hang on.
hold on. So, sir, the other gentleman who's there, I just heard you whispering, sir. What is going on?
Nobody's whispering.
Okay, I want you to hand the device to your friend that's in the room with you, sir, okay?
Was me?
Yes, you.
Okay.
Sir, I want you I want you to hand the device back to Mr. Purifoy, and then I want you to walk out of the room. You can't be present in the room anymore, okay?
I was in the kitchen, but go ahead, I'll walk back outside. Here you go.
I literally want you to walk outside, sir.
I'm outside. I'm going outside.
Is there anybody else there?
I'm gonna inquire. Mr. Purifoy, your friend just walked outside. I heard the door close. Is there anyone else? Is there anyone else in the home with you right now?
No, I live alone.
Okay, thank you. Go ahead, Mr. Salgado.
If I could put my objection on the record, I'd ask that this the testimony be stricken and not allowed. Somebody literally just helped him with his testimony, and I don't even know who it
I
was.
understand. I've directed the gentleman out of the courtroom. You can ask him those questions on cross-examination. Okay, go ahead, Mr. Salgado.
Okay. I'm not sure if you already answered this, but has my client visited you at your home?
He said yes.
Okay, yes.
It was his home at one time.
When was the last time she visited you at your home? Do you remember?
I just an answer to object.
No, I really, yeah, it was the last summer.
Last
No,
time.
no,
Okay.
Objection. Again, this goes to the help he was just given, so.
I'm
I'm
going to
renewing my
sustain. I'm going to
objection.
sustain your objection, Mr. Wallace. Go ahead, Mr. Salgado.
Okay. Has my client ever harassed you?
Objection leading.
Who, Mr.
Hold
Deere?
on, hold on, one second.
hang
Hold
on.
on, sir.
Wait.
There's an objection, sir. Was it relevance objection?
Leading, relevance,
I'll overrule as the leading. I'll sustain as the relevance. Let's go ahead and get this focused, guys.
Okay. Well, Your Honor, did you sustain as to relevance?
I did.
Your Honor, it's,
What-
it's in the
what-
petition.
Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot that there's a specific allegation. I got that. So I'm gonna change my ruling. I'm overruling as a relevance. You can answer the question, Mr. Purifoy, which it's a yes or no question. Has Ms. Grajeda ever harassed you?
Victoria? No,
Yes.
never.
Okay.
Okay. Other than today trying to get you onto this hearing, when was the last time you spoke with Victoria?
objection
Yesterday.
asked and answered.
Overruled as that's a different question. Mr. Purifoy, what's the last time you spoke with Ms. Grajeda?
Oh, probably 3 summers ago.
Okay. How long have you known Anthony?
Okay. Probably 25 years.
In your 25 years of knowing Anthony, in your opinion, do you feel Anthony lies?
Objection.
Absolutely.
One second.
Objection.
One second. Yeah. What's the objection?
Leading, no foundation, improper opinion evidence, no
I'm gonna
foundation
sustain-
for
I'm
it.
going to sustain your objection. Just build the foundation for the statement.
Of course. You said you've known him for over 25 years, correct?
Yes, sir.
When was the last time you spoke with him?
About 3 summers ago.
What did you talk about?
He had really to live across the street.
Objection, relevance.
Hold on one second. Hold on one second. I'm not sure I'm not sure where this is going.
I'm just trying
It
to
could
build
be
a foundation,
relevant. So I'm going to overrule the objection. What did you speak about with Mr. Grajeda 3 summers ago, Mr. Purifoy?
He brought the kids over to see me.
Okay.
How many? So in those 25 years, have you spoken with Anthony a lot or a little? How often?
Objection,
Very little,
relevance.
if it was all.
Sorry?
hold on, guys.
Very low.
There's an objection as a relevance. How is that relevant, Mr. Salgado?
Your Honor, I'm just trying to build the foundation before I ask him my question. That really.
So is the sole purpose of this witness's testimony to show that Mr. Grajeda lacks credibility?
That and the fact that my client didn't harass him.
Okay. Give me 1 second.
He's actually already testified about not being harassed by his client.
I understand, I've heard that.
That's the first part.
Just hang on, Mr. Purifoy, okay? Just give me 1 second.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, what was the question pending, Mr. Salgado?
Ooh.
Pardon?
So, no.
1
talk to
second,
me,
Mr.
talk to me.
Purifoy.
I believe it was, what did they speak about or something like that?
And I heard the answer to that was, which it was about his kids. There was another question that you asked him, how long?
Yeah, how often did they speak, yes. Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna overrule the objection. How frequently do you and Mr. Grajeda speak?
In what time span?
In the past 3 years. So here's what I care about, Mr. Purifoy. In our petition, the only reason I'm talking to you today is Mr. Grajeda has made a statement as follows, okay? He said, instead of telling me what he said, he's basically said that there was communication between you and Ms. Grajeda around the time period of, I'm just trying to find the date of the petition, guys, give me a second.
It was at the end of page 8, I think.
So around the summer of 2024 is what I care about. So in 2024, how often have you and Mr. Grajeda spoken?
Never.
Okay.
Okay.
And you had previously testified that the last time you talked to Ms. Grajeda was 3 years ago. Is that accurate?
Well, yes, I told you. You won't let me say what I want, so go ahead.
What?
I didn't understand what you just said, sir.
He brought his kids over to see me.
Okay, but my question was, it is correct that the last time you spoke to Ms. Grajeda was 3 years ago, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so how did you know to show up for today's hearing? Who contacted you?
Contacted by excuse me, Victoria.
Okay, so wouldn't that mean that you've had more recent communication with her than in the past 3 years? Ms. Grajeda, you got a lawyer. If he needs to object, he'll object. I see you got your hand up.
Well, you have to repeat that question. I didn't understand you. Go ahead.
Give me 1 second, because the lawyers are speaking. My question was, you had told me previously that the last time you talked to Ms. Grajeda was 3 years ago,
Can we
but
talk-
now you've just told me that you've been communicating with Ms. Grajeda as to why you needed to be here today. So I just want to find out, when is the last time that you've been in communication with Ms. Grajeda?
Your Honor, can
Let
we
me check.
Victoria slash
Respect
Ethan?
for this. Okay.
He may be getting confused.
One more time, Mr. Purifoy, say it again.
I said you're putting words in my mouth. That's why he brought his kids over to see me and meet me. And I haven't
Mr.
talked to him.
Purifoy, I'm certainly not putting words in your mouth. You told me the last time you had spoken to Ms. Grajeda was 3 years ago. And then when I asked you who let you know about the hearing today, you told me it was Ms. Grajeda. So which is it? Have you talked to her 3 years ago, or have you talked to her recently?
I talked to Victoria yesterday.
Okay, so how many times in 2024 have you talked to Ms. Grajeda?
I haven't talked to him.
No, okay, I'm gonna use their first name so you're not confused. In 2024, how many times have you talked to Victoria?
She came to visit me once.
In 2024?
Yes,
Okay. And, is that the last time that you saw her in person?
yes.
And why did she come to visit you, if you know?
Well, for one thing, we're pretty close, and she's like a daughter to me.
Okay.
And it's none of what she wants anyway.
It's none of what, sir?
None of your business what we talked about.
Okay, so, Mr. Wallace, do you have any motions related to this witness?
I'd ask that this witness be stricken. He's not showing.
Mr. Purifoy, that statement is a little unusual. I think that you had answered a question that you were former law enforcement at some point, is that right?
My profession has nothing to do with it.
Okay, so are you refusing to answer my questions?
No,
Well, then you better answer my question, sir. You told me previously you were former law enforcement, is that correct?
yes, sir.
Okay, have you ever had to testify in court before?
Pardon me?
Have you ever had to testify in court before?
Yeah, many times.
And have you ever told a judge that a question that he had asked you was none of his business?
I didn't understand the question.
Oh, okay, you didn't understand the question now. So I want to make this very clear, Mr. Purifoy. I got two very good lawyers here, okay? They have the ability to object on their client's behalf to any question that they ask or I ask, and they know that, okay? So if there's no objection, I expect you to answer my questions. Do you understand that, sir?
Absolutely.
Thank you, sir. Okay, so I'm just gonna summarize this one more time. The last time you physically saw Ms. Grajeda was in 2024, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how many times have you talked with Ms. Grajeda in 2025? Talk to her.
Yesterday was the first time.
In 2025, yesterday was the first time you talked to Victoria.
Yes, yesterday and yes, sir.
Yesterday and no other times, is that accurate?
Do I recall? Yes.
Okay. And have you had any conversations with Victoria's lawyer, who's asking you questions today?
No, I don't think I'd like to.
Okay. And then I'm going to stop my questions at this point, Mr. Salgado. Let's see what you got.
Yeah. Okay. Frank,
Yes, sir.
when concerning Anthony, is that
Yes,
what
sir.
is that what you were saying 3 years ago was the last time you spoke to him?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When Victoria visited you, what did you all talk about?
Well, actually, he was visiting relatives, and he saw us and he brought the two
Objection,
pictures over, and
non-responsive.
asked, do you remember this guy? And
Hang on, Frank.
There's an objection. I'm going to overrule the non-responsive objection. Start your answer over, Frank, okay?
If you answer that question, I answer it the best I can.
That's right. So just repeat your answer for me. So the question was, what did you and Anthony talk about? And you were telling me that he brought his kids over, and what did you discuss?
Objection.
Yes,
Hold
sir.
on 1
Yes.
second, guys. This is so chaotic. Yes, Mr.
I'm
Wallace.
sorry, Your Honor.
It's okay.
I thought the question was was she there with him, and what did they talk? I'm confused
Did we
myself.
misunderstand the question? Did I say the
Yes,
question
Your Honor,
wrong?
like I was asking what him and my client Victoria were speaking
What period of time?
during the visit.
Which visit?
The
Because she
visit in
visited in last
2024.
in 2024.
Yes, sir.
So when's the visit you're describing?
Um,
Go ahead and lay the foundation so I know a time frame. Okay.
Frank, when was the visit that Victoria made over to your house in New York in 2024?
I don't remember.
Okay. Do you remember what you spoke about?
Summer.
In the summer?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you remember what you spoke about in the summer of 2024 with Victoria?
Various things.
Such as?
Weather, temperature, things of that nature.
Do you speak about anybody in particular?
Objection leading.
Overruled. I didn't hear the
If
witnesses.
you're asking that, we're talking about Mr. Vegeta, very little.
Okay. All right. Do you know personally whether Anthony has either physically, sexually, or emotionally abused Victoria?
Objection, leading.
That, I cannot,
compound.
yes, sir.
One second.
Wait.
I don't know what that question means. Does he know personally? Do you
Right.
want to rephrase it?
Sure.
Has he witnessed it?
Right.
Go ahead and rephrase it for me.
Have you ever witnessed Anthony physically, sexually, or emotionally abuse Victoria?
Objection, vague as.
Yes, I have.
Compound.
I didn't see it.
Hold on
I
one
heard
second,
it.
Frank. Okay, hold on one second. Compound?
Compound, particularly as to the emotionally, very different from the other two things.
Okay, so I'm gonna sustain as a compound if you want to break it up, Mr. Salgado.
Sure.
Okay.
Frank,
Yeah.
do you know if Anthony has ever physically abused Victoria?
Objection.
Yes.
Same objection.
Yeah.
Physically and mentally.
Hold on 1 second. Lack of foundation.
Right.
You can't use the word no. Are you talking, has he seen it?
I'm sorry. Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Have you witnessed Anthony physically abuse Victoria?
I witnessed him verbally abusing her.
Okay.
Objection, non-responsive.
So is that a no? You've never seen Anthony physically abuse Victoria?
I didn't see it, but I heard it.
Okay.
Okay.
Um,
I'll ask the
Go ahead.
next question. Have you ever witnessed Anthony verbally abuse Victoria?
Yes, sir.
When was that?
That time they were up there.
When they were in
You
New
know
York?
it. 3 years ago.
I think he said 3 years ago.
I hear you said
Oh,
3
okay.
years ago.
All right. All right. Thank you, Frank. That's all my questions.
That's it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Wallace, any questions?
Are we finished?
So-
Not yet, sir.
Wait.
Mr. Wallace, speak, come to the podium.
Oh, yes, sorry.
But don't think this has been nice because it hasn't.
Sir, has it,
I said, it's been nice, hasn't.
you understand that the two of them have been separated for many years, right?
That doesn't mean he hasn't been harassing her for years.
Isn't it likely that the last time you saw them together was much further back than 3 years ago?
I'm not gonna answer that because I don't really remember her, so.
Well, that's a different, that you have to answer Mr. Wallace's question, and is the answer, I don't remember.
Okay, that's good, I don't.
Okay.
Wasn't the last time you saw them together in 2007 when you kicked them both out of the house?
You said it, I agree.
Mr. Wallace, anything else this week?
Once you asked me why I kicked him out of the house.
Okay, nothing further.
Okay. Thank you, thanks, Frank.
And can that bill, Bernie, can I ask him a question?
What's that?
I just want to run.
He's not competent to testify. I'm making that finding right on the record. He can't remember anything. He's told me that the last time that he saw them was 3 years ago, and now he's just told us that the last time in fact, they saw them was in 2007. He's been disrespectful to the court. I try to make every accommodation for his virtual appearance. This clearly didn't go well. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to wrap Frank up for this afternoon. Thank you, Frank. You can take back your afternoon.
Am I done?
You are done, sir. Thank you.
Don't think it's been nice because it hasn't.
It's like Abbott and Costello skit. So anyway, okay, we're gonna go ahead and break for lunch. Okay, it is 12:52 right now. How long would you guys like for lunch?
We just want to do an hour, so come back in.
Hour's great. So I'll see you guys back here at 1:45, guys. Okay. Thank you.